Hey guys, it's your boy Curry Gaming, back again with another Spin Master Monster Jam unboxing video. And today I will be opening up two more Spin Master Monster Jam trucks from Mix 2. I have not found Mix 3 yet, and it may be a while because where I live it's easy to find things you want. But I still have a lot more Mix 2 trucks to unbox, and I decided to pick two of them to unbox today. Gold Max D and Monster Mutt Rottweiler I unboxed and reviewed already. If you want to see that video, go check it out. King Crunch I'm still on the hunt for. Jester I do have, but I will unbox that another day. Same thing with the Nitro Neon Gravedigger. I do have Hurricane Force. I will unbox that today, and along with that I will be unboxing Scarlet Bandit and Son of a Digger with the black rims. I am still debating if I should get that or not. Let me know in the comments below if I should, and yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the unboxing for Scarlet Bandit. I already showed the Mix 2 poster, so I won't need to show it again. Here's the figure. You can imagine that would be Don Creighton. Alright, I'll give you a 180 turntable look of the Scarlet Bandit truck, and then we will review it up close. Alrighty, here's Scarlet Bandit. Amazing detail, and it's so awesome to have Scarlet Bandit back in diecast form, because Mattel, the last time they made the Scarlet Bandit truck in diecast form was 2013, I believe. Yeah. Ever since then, Mattel stopped making the truck, and it's it's good that we have Scarlet Bandit back now, thanks to Spin Master. Alright, so first we have grill printing, which is really awesome. Black rims, black chassis. I really love this new paint scheme. This is probably my favorite paint job that Scarlet Bandit has gotten. TexasTruckWorks.com on the top. Same thing. It's basically like Bounty Hunter, because Bounty Hunter is Scarlet Bandit's teammate. You got the Scarlet Bandit logo and the cowgirl on the side. Looks really awesome. On the hood it says Scarlet Bandit, and then same thing on the other side. Man, Scarlet Bandit looks amazing. Alright, so that was Scarlet Bandit. Now let's check out the brand new Hurricane Force truck. Here's the figure, Stephen Thompson. And here's Hurricane Force. Now, we have seen Hurricane Force before in diecast form, but it was made by Mattel, and they stopped making that truck, I believe, after 2013. But once again, it's nice to see Hurricane Force back in diecast form, but now made by Spin Master. The thing that makes Hurricane Force brand new is, of course, it's made by Spin Master, and of course, it's got a brand new paint job, just like Scarlet Bandit. And fun fact, Stephen Thompson also drives Earthshaker. so that was the 180 look. Now let's take a look at it up close. Black chassis, orange rims, silver grill on the front, very cool. You got flames on the top, like just like an overshadow here. Then red and orange all across the fenders. Black taillights. Tailgate is like a grayish color. And then the hurricane forecast all across the truck. It's really awesome. I gotta say, the independent trucks always get the cool paint jobs because honestly, for the trucks actually owned by Monster Jam, they no longer get their own individual paint jobs, which is kind of dumb. But it's alright. I mean, nothing you can do about it, but yeah. So that was the review of Scarlet Bandit and Hurricane Force. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.